Dave and Jessica have been working with us for a few months now. It's been cool to be part of what you guys are doing here at Trinity, and just wanted to know what it's been like for you guys, how it's been to work with Turnkey.
So far the relationship has just completely exceeded our expectations. You guys have been awesome taking over our director marketing program, and just all the hard work you guys have done and the attention to detail that you put into everything has just blown us away, and we're so grateful for it, and we can't thank you guys enough, and we're just super excited to keep plowing forward and continue to grow in this location, maybe multiple locations someday, who knows. We'll see where it all goes.
Yeah, man, we're excited. It's been awesome, and we're looking forward to it in the future.
Yeah.
So thanks for letting me come up here today. It's been cool to be up here and see what's actually going on.
Yeah, thanks for coming to visit. Appreciate having you.